So these, okay, Envy. Envy is the version of the...
Yep, Envy's the model, yeah.
I like them Tinsellies in there. How many boxes you did on these? Because I know you had these going out the door at one time.
Yeah, I still do. I mean, because, yeah, I mean, you got to figure it 165 piece retail.
Yeah.
You know, that's tough to beat.
Especially for 1,000 watts.
Yeah, a 2,000 watt stuff that's new, that's not used, that's not, you know, that's full warranty, that's, yeah, man. I mean, they're good stuff, man. I've had really good luck with them so far.
All right.
I don't know how to fucking brace this.
This is just like bass head heaven over here.
Mm-hmm.